Texas manhunt, capital murder suspect on the run. A dangerous situation is unfolding in Texas. Authorities are urgently searching for Trevor McEuen. McEuen, a suspect in a capital murder case, has absconded. He removed his court-ordered ankle monitor and is now at large. This escape occurred on the very morning his trial was set to begin, Monday, May 5th. The implications are serious. The public must remain vigilant. Give a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. At approximately 5:30 a.m., Trevor McEuen severed his connection to the justice system. He removed the ankle monitor from his person. He then fled his residence in Kaufman County. Whether he left on foot or in a vehicle remains unknown. Law enforcement has not released a description of his clothing. Every moment that passes increases the risk to the community. The Kaufman County Sheriff's Office is spearheading the manhunt. They are working in conjunction with multiple other law enforcement agencies. The full resources of the state are being brought to bear. Authorities have not confirmed whether McEuen is armed. However, given the nature of the charges against him, caution is paramount. The public is strongly advised not to approach McEuen if he is spotted. Contact law enforcement immediately. The capital murder charge against McEuen stems from the tragic death of Aaron Martinez. Martinez, a 35-year-old resident of Kaufman County, was fatally shot in May of 2023. He was McEwen's neighbor. The circumstances surrounding Martinez's death paint a disturbing picture. This was not a random act of violence. It was allegedly fueled by deep-seated animosity. Reports indicate that McEuen harbored significant hostility towards Martinez. Disturbingly, McEuen allegedly made statements indicating that Hispanics were not welcome in the area. This alleged prejudice adds another layer of concern to this already volatile situation. Martinez's relatives have stated that he had expressed safety concerns about McEuen. These concerns reportedly dated back to July of 2022. The warning signs were there. McEuen was initially arrested in May of 2023 following Martinez's death. He was subsequently released on bond with specific conditions. However, his behavior continued to escalate. In September of 2024, McEuen was arrested again. This arrest stemmed from threatening social media posts. These posts targeted both Martinez and his uncle. He was held on a $2 million bond, reflecting the gravity of the threat he posed. He was released in December after posting bond. This decision is now under intense scrutiny. The release of McEuen on bond, despite his history of escalating behavior, raises serious questions. The system designed to protect the public appears to have failed. Now, the community is paying the price. The consequences of this failure could be devastating. Every effort must be made to bring McEuen back into custody swiftly and safely. The safety of the residents of Kaufman County, and potentially beyond, depends on it. Authorities are offering a substantial reward of $10,000. This reward is for information leading directly to McEwen's arrest. This significant sum underscores the seriousness of the situation. It also highlights the urgent need to apprehend him. No tip is too small. Any piece of information, no matter how insignificant it may seem, could be crucial in locating McEuen. Trevor McEuen is considered dangerous. He is a capital murder suspect on the run. He has demonstrated a willingness to disregard the law and a potential for violence. Do not approach him under any circumstances. Your safety is paramount. Contact the Kaufman County Sheriff's Office immediately if you have any information about his whereabouts. McEwen's escape has significant legal ramifications. He is now facing additional charges related to his flight from justice. These charges will likely include escape and potentially other offenses. His actions will undoubtedly impact his defense in the capital murder case. His flight suggests a consciousness of guilt. This will be a key point for the prosecution. The news of McEwen's escape has sent shockwaves through the community. Residents are understandably fearful and anxious. The sense of security has been shattered. Law enforcement must provide regular updates and reassurance to the public. Transparency is crucial in maintaining trust and cooperation. The community needs to know that everything possible is being done to bring McEuen to justice. Social media can be a powerful tool in assisting law enforcement. Sharing information and updates can help to spread awareness. However, it is crucial to verify information before sharing it. Spreading misinformation can hinder the investigation and create unnecessary panic. Rely on official sources for accurate updates. Be a responsible digital citizen. Vigilance is key during this critical time. Be aware of your surroundings. Report any suspicious activity to law enforcement immediately. Look out for your neighbors and your community. By working together, we can increase the chances of bringing McEuen back into custody safely. The safety of our community depends on it. This situation serves as a stark reminder of the risks associated with releasing violent offenders on bond. The decision to grant bond should be made with the utmost care and consideration. The safety of the community must always be the top priority. The potential consequences of a misjudgment can be devastating. This case highlights the need for a thorough review of the bond system. We must ensure that it is effectively protecting the public. The search for Trevor McEuen is ongoing. Law enforcement is working tirelessly to locate him and bring him back into custody. They are utilizing all available resources and technology. The public's assistance is crucial in this effort. Your vigilance and cooperation can make a difference. Together, we can help to ensure the safety of our community. The family of Aaron Martinez deserves justice. They have already suffered an unimaginable loss. The escape of McEuen has only compounded their pain and anguish. Bringing McEuen back into custody is essential to ensuring that justice is served. The legal process must be allowed to proceed without further delay or disruption. The family deserves closure. The message to Trevor McEuen is clear. You cannot outrun justice. Law enforcement will not rest until you are apprehended. Your actions have consequences. Surrender yourself peacefully. It is the only way to minimize the harm you are causing to yourself and to the community. The longer you remain at large, the more serious the consequences will be. Stay informed about the latest developments in this case. Follow official news sources for accurate updates. Avoid spreading rumors or misinformation. Be a responsible and informed member of the community. Your awareness and cooperation can help to ensure the safety of everyone. Together, we can get through this. Trevor McEuen is a dangerous individual. He is a capital murder suspect on the run. He has demonstrated a willingness to disregard the law and a potential for violence. Do not approach him under any circumstances. Contact law enforcement immediately if you have any information about his whereabouts. The safety of our community depends on it.